Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Code and Square AI channel. In this video we will talk about Bitwise operator. इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे कि हमारे पास Bitwise operators क्या होता है पाइथन के अंदर। Bitwise operator से पहले हम लोग समझते हैं what is bit. ओके bit क्या होता है, what is bit. So bit हम लोग पास होता है कि bit means bit का मतलब होता है कि बाइनरी डिजिट। हमारे पास बाइनरी डिजिट को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, हम लोग बिट बोलते हैं। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हम लाइक जैसे 1 पे हम लोग पास एक बिट है और 0 पे हम लोग पास एक बिट है। इसी तरह जब बाइनरी डिजिट को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, बाइनरी डिजिट इज नोन एज बिट। वो हम लोग पास 1 भी हो सकता है और 0 भी हो सकता है। अभी हम लोग पास एक बिट है और फिर अभी हम लोग ओके बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर जब हम लोग यूज करते हैं, जब हम लोग बाइनरी नंबर को मॉडिफाई करें, वो किस तरह काम करता है, वो किस तरह एडिशन करता है। इसी वजह से हम लोग बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर देखते हैं कि हम लोग पास किस तरह वो बाइनरी, हम लोग किस तरह बाइनरी नंबर को मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं, ऐड कर सकते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं। हम लोग बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर में ये ये वर्क करते हैं। सो अभी हम लोग समझते हैं ओके व्हाई वी यूज बिटवाइज। ओके व्हाई वी यूज bitwise bitwise operators why we use bitwise operators। okay इसके लिए ओके we we use we use bitwise operators we use bitwise operators to modify modify means adding or subtraction of binary. Okay, to modify binary numbers. Okay, to modify what, to modify binary number and how and and how uh, they interact with each other okay with each other। okay हम लोग पास इस तरह इंटरेक्ट करते हैं each other से, हम लोग बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर में ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग करते हैं। ओके अभी हम लोग समझते हैं कि व्हाट आर बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर, व्हाट आर ओके हम लोग पास है बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर कितने ओके टाइप के होते हैं। ओके देयर आर okay there are six bitwise operators okay in Python. There are how many? There are six bitwise operator in Python. Okay, number one we have number one we have and ओके एंड जब हमारे पास ये सिंबल होता है एंड ओके ये हमारे पास एंड होता है। ओके हमारे पास ये पहला वाला ओके ओके ये हम लोग पास ओके हमारे पास ये वन ओके एंड इसका वर्क क्या करते हो क्योंकि ये एंड क्या हमारे पास किस तरह काम करता है एंड ओके एंड क्या बोलता है ओके एंड ओके एंड ओके एंड इज सेइंग ओके एंड इज सेइंग दैट ओके एंड हम लोग पास किस तरह ओके दिस फॉर एग्जांपल ओके एंड क्या कहते हैं एंड इज सेइंग वन when in both okay numbers okay parallel okay parallel okay and is saying when in both numbers parallel byte are same okay byte are same then I will replace both by both by one okay both by one okay and else अगर हम लोग पास एवरी ये वन जब हम लोग पास पैरेलल में वन नहीं जाए फिर हम लोग पास अगर 0 1 आ जाए 1 0 आ जाए तो हम लोग पास ये कंसिडर करता है कि वो एल्स हम लोग पास में किससे रिप्लेस करूंगा एल्स आई विल रिप्लेस बाय 0 ओके देन आई विल रिप्लेस बाय व्हाट बाय 0 फिर मैं 0 से रिप्लेस दिस फॉर एग्जांपल कैसे अभी देखो अगर ओके हम लोग पाइथन से पूछे कि 5 का बाइनरी क्या है 5 का बाइनरी ओके bn इससे हम लोग बाइनरी मालूम कर सकते हैं 5, ओके 5 binary, okay. Is 0 b is okay, is the identification of binary. हम लोग पास ये बाइनरी का आइडेंटिफिकेशन है. 101 इसका बाइनरी है. 101, ओके. 101 इसका बाइनरी. दूसरा नंबर अगर हम लोग चेक करते हैं, जैसे मैं बाइनरी चेक करना चाहता हूँ 6, ओके 6. Now I want to check the 6 binary. So the 6 binary is 110 1 1 10 110. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि हम लोग बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर यूज करते हैं ताकि हम लोग मॉडिफाई करते हैं बाइनरी नंबर किस तरह एडिशन करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं, एंड हाउ द इंटरेक्ट किस तरह हम लोग इंटरेक्ट करते हैं. इस वजह से हम लोग यूज करते हैं. फॉर दैट रीजन वी यूज द बिटवाइज ऑपरेटर्स. हम लोग ने ये 5 का बाइनरी हम लोग पास 10, 6 का बाइनरी भी हैव 110. ओके हम लोग पास अभी ओके 4 डिजिट में करते हैं, ओके मॉडिफाई करते हैं 4 डिजिट में. ओके हम लोग इधर इनफाइनाइट जीरो लगा सकते, क्योंकि जब हम लोग राइट में, ओके तो हम लोग पास राइट में जीरो भी देते, वो हम लोग पास कोई मीनिंग नहीं देता है. तो मैं इसको 4 ओके 4. ओके अभी हम लोग इसको मॉडिफाई करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं कि हम लोग पास किस तरह इंटरेक्ट करता है. सो हम लोग पास ये पहला वाला है एंड ऑपरेटर क्या काम करता है. एंड में लिखता है एंड ऑपरेटर. ओके हमारे पास ये सिंबल है एंड का. एंड इज सेइंग व्हेन इन बोथ नंबर्स पैरेलल, अगर ये पैरेलल हो कि पैरेलल अगर ये बोथ सेम हो जाए, बोथ आर सेम, देन आई विल रिप्लेस बोथ बाय 1. तो मैं उसको क्या रिप्लेस करूंगा 1 से. एल्स जो मेरे पास ये 1001 उसको मैं रिप्लेस करूंगा, ओके रिप्लेस करूंगा 0 से. सो हम लोग पास ये एंड ऑपरेटर ये कहता है. हम लोग इसको ट्रुथ टेबल से भी समझ सकते, ओके जैसे ओके 1 और पैरेलल में इसका आ जाए 0, 1 इसका पैरेलल में 0, तो हम लोग पास ये आउटपुट एल्स में what will be the else output 0 0 only in that condition where the in parallel, okay in parallel, okay in the parallel 1 1 come, okay 1 1 parallel come, okay. So and 0 plus 1 also the similar because of not, okay parallel same. And now for example, okay now I am doing okay parallelly, okay parallelly 1, so the output will be also 1. And the last one 0 0 0 means 0, okay 0, okay 0, okay 0, then the output will be also 0. Okay this is the truth table we can understand, okay. Now अभी तो for example हम लोग पास ये 5, okay हमारे पास ये 5 का बाइनरी, this is the 6 binary, okay. So मैं एक वेरिएबल बनाता हूँ a, इस पे मैं स्टोर करता हूँ 5, and I will make again the second variable that will be the b, and I will store in this 6 value, okay the 6 value. ओके अभी हम लोग इसको क्या करेंगे, इसको मॉडिफाई करते हैं कि हम लोग पास किस तरह इंटरेक्ट करता है, आउटपुट में क्या आ जाए. ओके मैंने बताया कि हम लोग पास जो एंड, ओके ओके जो हम लोग पास ये एंड, ओके एंड एंड क्या बोलते हैं, एंड बोलते हैं जब हम लोग पास दोनों पैरेलल में होंगे तो मैं आउटपुट में ओके आउटपुट में मैं दूंगा, आउटपुट में मैं 1 दूंगा. एल्स अगर हम लोग पास 0 हो जाए, ओके वन साइड पर 1 हो जाए, तो फिर भी मैं क्या दूंगा 0. ओके हमारे पास ये 1 ये गेट है. ओके तो अभी आप देख सकते हैं हमारे पास इधर 1 0, ओके 1 0 1 0, तो हमारे पास आउटपुट में देगा 0, ओके इसकी जगह हमारे पास 0 हो जाए. A second digit, okay you can see here will be also 0 because of, okay both not in this, okay the 1, okay 1 will come, okay 1. In this segment also the 0 will the 0, okay you can also check, okay from here is the truth table, okay okay the similar things, okay. So the output will be what, okay the output will be 0, okay 0 1 0 0, okay there's no need of 0, okay no meaning, okay. So the answer will be, okay this is, okay. So now you can check now, okay now I will print, okay I will use the AND operator, okay now binary. So I will a and, okay this, okay shift 7 you can access the, okay you can access the, okay you can access the this AND Okay, can check this 100 before the 0 b means it okay, it okay, it is the okay, the symbol of binary is the binary. Okay, so it's coming for the binary. So now I will comment out this cause of. Okay, now the output will be 100. Okay, now you can check the output is 100. This is 100. Okay, so this OB is the symbol, okay, of binary. Okay, this is the okay and operator, how it works. Now we will okay, go to the next operator. The next operator we have, the next operator we have OR. Okay, for OR we use, okay, for OR we use this, okay, OR operator. Okay, I will say that this is the OR operator. OR operator. Okay, this is the OR operator. Okay, what's the work of OR operator? Okay, OR operator, OR operator is saying when in when in one side, when in one side, when even when, or is saying even when in one side one come, so I will replace replace that replace that by replace that by okay, replace that by 1, else 0. हम लोग पास जो और ऑपरेटर कहता है कि वन साइड में भी अगर हम लोग पास वन साइड में भी वन आ जाए तो मैं उसका आउटपुट वन लाऊंगा। अगर ओके एक साइड में भी वन ना हो, दोनों जीरो, तो हमारे पास आउटपुट एल्स में जीरो आ जाएगा। जैसे अभी हम लोग समझते हैं ट्रुथ टेबल, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओके, for example, now let's have take 1. Okay, I will modify 0 and the output be 1 because it is saying when in one side 1 come, अगर एक साइड में भी ओके एक साइड में भी 1 आ जाए तो मैं इसको 1 करता हूँ। ओके, second, like I will take 0 plus 1 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Okay, this is, and again if okay in both sides that will be so good, then also will 1 equal to 1, and else when none come, okay, in none side, okay, 1 come, then I will okay, then I will replace that by 0. This is all the truth table. Okay, this is the what, this is the truth table. Okay, this is what, this is truth table which we have. Like we took the example, okay, of that number, okay, 5 and 6, the binary. Okay, this is the 0, okay, 1, like for example. Okay, so I will copy here also, I will copy it and I will paste here. Now what I will understand. Okay, now you can check, okay, in one side when 1 come, okay, it replaced by 1, again there is 1 coming, okay, so it will be replaced by 1, again there's both 1 coming, so again it will be replaced by 1, and a 0 0 at the end, else it will be 0. So the output will be 1 1 because there is no meaning of 0, so the answer will be have 1 1. Okay, so now print a, we have there, okay, our variable is there, so this is our variable, so a, I count into binary. Okay, so binary a or b, what will be the output, or a or b. Now I will run it, so now the output is what, the output is 1 1. Okay, 1 1. So I will also comment out this the end operator or operator or end operator. So the answer will be what? The answer will be end. Okay, this 0b means binary, so the answer is what? So the answer is 1 1. Okay, now we'll move to another operator, that is XOR. Okay, that is what? XOR. Okay, that is what? That is XOR. XOR operator. For it we use the cap. Okay, we use for it what? We use it for cap. Okay, so it is what? XOR. Okay, XOR. Okay, XOR. XOR. It is what? It is XOR operator. It is what? It is XOR operator. It's our third one. It is our which one? It is our third one. Third operator, that is known as XOR. XOR. Okay, XOR is saying, okay, XOR. Okay, XOR is saying XOR. Okay, this is the cap. Okay, XOR. XOR is saying in when in one when must in one when must in one side only one come, so then so then I will replace that by one, else I will replace by 0. हम लोग पास ये XOR ऑपरेटर क्या कहता है? ये कहता है अगर हम लोग पास ओके, और अगर हम लोग पास वन साइड में होना चाहते तो फिर मैं वन ओके रिप्लेस करता हूँ. इफ इन बोथ साइड, ओके, अगर हम लोग पास बोथ साइड में आता है तो मैं उसको रिप्लेस करूँगा जीरोस. ओके, हम लोग पास इसके लिए नेटेड है कि वन साइड. ओके, वन साइड मस्ट बी वन साइड बी मस्ट बी वन. ये हम लोग पास एक्सोर ऑपरेटर होता है. एक्सोर ऑपरेटर होता है. एक्सोर ऑपरेटर होता है. So now we will check by the truth table. Okay, like for example 1 plus 0, the output will be 1. Output will be 1. And when we will when we will use 0 plus 1, the output will be also 1. Okay, if both side 1 come, so the output will be 0. This is the output. Okay, the XOR operator is saying like this. Okay, like at least the 0 remain. Okay, so the output will be what? The output will be again the 0. Okay, the XOR operator is saying like this. Like again, we will copy or paste that. This is okay. This is the 5 binary, and this is done has the 6 binary. Now for example, what will be the output? Like for example, okay, it is saying, okay, in one side 1, the 1 come, so I will replace that by 1. If in both, okay, again in one side 1 is coming, so I will replace by 1. If in both, else in both, then I replace 0, and this also I will replace by 0. This is all known as by XOR operator. Okay, we also call exclusive or. Now I will print binary A exclusive A XOR of B. Okay, 1 1. Okay, 1 1. Again we will check it why 1 1 is coming. Okay, this is okay. So the XOR is saying that when the in one side one come, I will replace by 1. Again there is 1 coming, so I will replace by 1. If in both sides, then I will replace that by 0, and I will also replace by this 0. So the output is 0 0 1 1. So there is no meaning of 0, so our answer is 1 1. Okay, you can also check the answer is here also 1 1. This is known as what? This is known as uh, XOR operator. I will comment out. Now we'll move to another operator that is known as our fourth operator, that is known as NOT. NOT, for NOT we use this. Okay, above the tab, okay, shift above the tab, we call it NOT operator. We call it what? We call it NOT operator. NOT operator. NOT operator is saying is saying I will use the formula. I will use what? I will use formula. What is the formula? Minus x means the value. Okay, x plus 1. Okay, so we also call it is okay 2's complement. 2's complement. 2's complement. It's also known as by 2's complement. Okay, it is known also as by 2's complement. Okay, like for example, now again I will take this control view past. Now it needs only one. Okay, one. Okay, this is the 5. Okay, I will make a variable here. I will store 5. Okay, in this we take only one variable. Okay, and we apply this formula. Here what we will do now, I will understand first the flow, how it works. Now it's binary. Okay, 5 binary, we know that is it is 0 1 0 1. Okay, it is what? 0 1 0 1. Now we will apply this formula. X means this value a. Okay, here we'll press a. It will look like this: minus a plus 1. It will looks like this. Okay, like this it will be looks like minus a is this 0 1 0 1. Now where we will add 1, so 1 1 it will be 10. Here 0, here 1. This is again it will be 1. This is 1, again it will be 0. So now we add this 1, so that's we are okay, we are replacing by 0. Okay, in binary there are two: one is signed number, one is unsigned. This is unsigned, so we use the 1 and we will use the minus 1. Okay, no need of 0, so the output, okay, this will be the output. Okay, now we will print binary not of what? Not of a. Not of what? Not of a. So now this is the output. You can check this is the output. Okay, this is also what? 2's complement. We can also find by this, by 2's complement. Okay, it was like this. So it was what? It was not operator. Now we'll move to another last two 2 second. Okay, last 2 second. Okay, last one and second last one. Okay, the second last one we have, that is fifth one. Fifth one we have okay, that is left shift. Okay, we call it left shift. Left shift. Okay, it is what it is, left shift. Left shift. Left shift. Only shift bytes according to given shift number. Okay, only it shift the byte according to the shift number given. Okay, so now this is the A. Again I will copy those both. This one, okay, this 5. Okay, so control U press it is okay. So I will also comment out get it, and I will store here 5. Okay, I stored what? I stored 5. This is okay, this is the binary of this 5. Binary of what? Binary of 5. Binary of 5. Okay, this is okay, this is the final, like this we write. Okay, print a shift. How many? If you want to one shift, then write this. Okay, have it shift. Okay, so like this. Now this 0 1 0 1. Okay, now I want shift 1. Here we will use 1. Here we will 0. Here again we will shift 1. Here again we will 0. So here we will, okay, this the 0 will replace this. So the output will be 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, there's no meaning of 0 and left, so we remove it. So the output is what? 1 0 1. Okay, like this. If I will use the 2 here, okay, 2. Okay, if I will use the 2 here, okay, 2. So again I will write the, okay, like this. Print binary 5. Okay, A means this A. Okay, you can check this A. 5 right shift will be the 2. Okay, you can shift 2. Okay, like this. Like this. Okay, you can check like this. Now it will, how it will, like this. 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now 2 1 to 2. One time, okay, here, one time here. It is all one time. 0. Again it was one time, we did first time. Now again we will do second time. This by this number is 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. I will do by second time. What we are going to do by second time. Okay, here 0, here 1, here 0, here 1, here 0. We'll replace by this by 0. So our output will, again, this is okay, 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, our output will again this. So like this it works. Now you can check, okay, print binary. I want in binary 5, and 5 we want to give the shift 2. Want to give the shift how many? 2. So okay, output is like this. Will be shift, okay, 2 times 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, we also, our answer was also like this. Okay, this one has what? This one has left shift. Now we'll move to the last one. The last one we have right shift. That is the sixth one. Sixth one we have right shift. Right shift is the symbol. Okay, right shift. So the okay, right shift. Okay, right shift also. Okay, this right shift only shift bytes according to given shift number. Okay, it's also shift the bytes, okay, according to a given shift number. How like for example, okay, now I will copy here this both. Control C, and I will paste Control V paste. Now you can check like print binary. This A, okay, we'll take this A. Right shift. Okay, we want right shift. First we will do one. Okay, let's we will okay one. How it will do? This is 0 1 0 1. Okay, like this it will be 0 1 0. Okay, it comes the one. Okay, like this. Okay, so now it went. So the output will be okay, 0 1 0. Okay, it will be the output. The output will be 10. We will shift 1. Okay, the output will be 1 0. Okay, 1 0 10. Like for example, print also the binary A, right shift how many? One time. I want right shift one time. Okay, you can say the output is 10. Okay, there was also 10. Okay, you can also use it like shift 3, like shift I will use for shift 2 binary A, right shift, okay, 2 times. So the output it will okay less, okay, like this one. So I will prove for you. Okay, like this how it did. Okay, now this is what this is. Okay, this is okay, 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, like 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, it will go here, it will go here, it will go here, and it will be replace this one. And again, okay, there's the okay, this for the one. Okay, now for example, will for to the 0 0 will come again here, and will like come here there. Okay, the 0 replaced by this one. So the output will be what? The output will be 0 1. So 0, no need of the air the okay, left, the answer will be 1. So you can check the answer is what? The answer is also 1. Okay, this is also this was right shift. For today it is enough. Okay, in this lecture we finish alhamdulillah all bitwise operator. Inshallah we'll make another excited video.